mis amigos. Sean todos bienvenidos a la cocina fina de Varela.
Hi everyone, welcome to my Spanish speaking. Bienvenido a la gente hispano. Welcome to my channel for the English speaking people. Today we're going to be making some coleslaw, some Indian chicken or Gallina India. So guys, today the next thing we're going to do is chop some cabbage, pepper cabbage or red cabbage. Mi gente, va cortado repollo morado o rojo, dicen los americanos. Yo pienso ese repollo está morada. Guys, mi gente, yo hacemos coleslaw. Necesita repollo verde, repollo morado, rojo, no sé qué color es. Usted corta cebolla así. Guys, mi gente, cebolla y un serrano grande. Cortada para poner en tu salada. Guys, now we're gonna va a cortar el zanahoria con esa máquina. We call it a grater to my American friends. Using the grater because today I'm making coleslaw from scratch. And now guys, we are attempting to put these carrots in the mix. Remember, we're making coleslaw. We're going to start with some vinegar. Okay. I'm going to put like maybe 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to put some relish into the mix. Just a little bit to give that nice kick. And una cuchara de azúcar y media. And I'm going to be using some Highland Valley Ranch Restaurant Inspired Secret Sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of this in here. Just a little bit. Okay. And now we're going to get some Smokehouse Secret Sauce in there too as well. We're going to put some mayonnaise. And we're going to add just a little bit of black pepper to taste. And now you mix well. You got to mix it up. Mix it up. And guys, this is the end result. This is how you want your coleslaw from scratch to look like, honey. Looks yummy and scrumptious and delicious. Para mi gente hispano, usted le gusta esta ensalada. Hacemos con repollo. Repollo verde, repollo morada, cebolla, zanahoria.
Deliciosa.
Y serrano.
Muy rica.
Un picante. Oh, guys, yes. Next thing. We're making macaroni salad.
Ensalada de macarrones.
Ajá.
Okay.
Va a cortar el cebolla. Yes. Good night, guys. Such a late night to cook. But anyways. We're going to start with some sugar. You know, for macaroni salad, you have to have relish. I don't know what they call it in español, pero para la... Here's the name. Mount Olive Dill Relish. And now this is sweet relish. This is what we need. Sweet relish for your... And now we're going to put some black pepper in here. And just a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not too much. And a spoon of dill. That's all. Now we're going to add some mayonnaise. Hellman Real Mayonnaise. So you want to put a good amount in here to make this taste really good. Okay? And then we're going to mix well. Make sure you mix it well, okay? Mix it well to coat everything. Make sure you coat all of your macaroni salad, please.
Así quedó de rica el macarrón salad.
Yes, guys. So this is how your macaroni salad gonna be looking after it's done.
Ensalada de macarrones.
That's right. Looks yummy. And today we're gonna be making gallina la India. El pollo más rica. Voy a poner mayonesa. Mostaza, mustard in English.
Para la gallina india.
Va a poner sazón tropical. Solamente usted necesita tres productos. Mayonesa, mostaza y sazón tropical. Mezcla muy bien. So, mi gente, this is how usted cocinando gallina india.
Qué
And this is
delicia.
how I'm turning the chicken. You see how I'm doing it?
Qué rico.
We're grilling it on this grill. And my son's trying to run away from it. Okay, now I'm going to cover it.
Bueno, mis amigos, así quedó deliciosa la gallina india. Sabrosa, bien deliciosa,
Rica, sí.
bien rica.
Okay, guys, now you see the Indian chicken that I was telling you about. They call it Gallina India, Gallina la India in Central America, South America. In Portugal, dice Gallina franga. And this, I boil it and then I fry it. So, guys, see, here's the chicken. I grilled it. Mi gente, pone la pollo india en de comal. Va a poner pollo.
Esa es la gallina india.
Este es salada de macaroni.
Se acompaña con ensalada de macarrones.
Va a poner
Y sopa.
y sopa también. Va a poner una foto en YouTube para usted ver. Y poquito de repollo. Salada. Coleslaw.
Yeah, it's like ensalada.
Para
de
mi
repollo.
gente, for my English speaking people, macaroni salad, coleslaw. This is dinner tonight, honey. So you guys try and do this yourself. And also, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you for coming back to my channel and watching. I so appreciate you guys. You are my family now. If you were here, I would invite you to eat as well.
Y no olvides suscribirte y darle like al canal de la cocina fina de Varela. Nos vemos en el próximo video.
Thank you.
You guys have a great one. Bye.
God bless you.